Hello friends, this is your host Sunil Kakani with you on Nifty and Bank Nifty magic levels for 28th December 2020. That is Monday. Now let us see what are the key highlights for last couple of days, what important events have happened and what we expect from Nifty and Bank Nifty going forward. So last week, if you see, Nifty has ended around 11 points below the 11 points down, and the closing had come at around 13,749. So Nifty in the last 7 consecutive weeks have given a positive green candle and positive candle and has closed positively. However, last week was the first week when there was a first negative candle on the weekly chart. On Friday, if you see, Nifty ended with a gain of 1%. So whatever was the large red candle Nifty had made, all the losses has been recouped. And on a weekly chart, if you see, coming back to the weekly chart, if you see, Nifty has formed a dragonfly doji candle. Now it's a very indecisive candle on a weekly basis, and which may be looked as that the top has been formed. But yes, even if the top is formed, it would be for a temporary period. As we see, the Nifty, whatever retracement is being done, is been recouped in next couple of days. Now what is the view for the coming week? Coming week we may see again a bit of consolidation. Maybe Monday, Tuesday we may see a little bit of higher levels, but again we may see a bit correction in by the end of this week. And coming week there is a monthly expiry also, so that could be possible. Now if you see the option data, on the option data we have seen put writing at the levels of 13,500, 600 and 700, and the highest open interest in the put side is at around 13,000 and 13,500. On the call side, we have seen the fresh additions at the level of 13,900 and 14,000, and the maximum open interest is at the level of 14,000. So upside in Nifty is could be to the level of 13,850 to 13,900. And overall, the as per the option data, the entire range for the Nifty, which looks like it would be in the range of 13,500 to 14,000. We may go up and then reverse back to the lower levels. This could be possible in the coming week. Now, if you see, the volatility index has also closed below 20, so which is also a good sign, which seems that volatility is being cooling down. Now, let us quickly see what happened. What were our targets, magic levels for 24 December? And if you see, this magic levels has again shown its magic. We have given a buy call on Nifty if Nifty trades about 13,615 and the target price of 13,775, and Nifty made a high of 13,771, which was bang on target. Similarly, in case of Bank Nifty, we gave that we can initiate a buy trade if Bank Nifty trades about 29,920 and with a target of 30,340, and Bank Nifty made a high of 30,545. So almost 600 points gain in Bank Nifty and 150 points gain in Nifty. Now this is what I mean. I know people who have actually thanked me for this level, and if you work on this level, it's very rare that you are going to lose. So these levels are called the magic levels. Now let us see the Nifty daily chart. Now in Nifty daily chart, as we see, as I mentioned on my first slide, the losses that we have seen on Monday have been completely recouped in last 3 days, and Nifty has reached the same level. Now at this level, what I see is that we may go up by another 100 points or so, but from there we may see again a retracement, because market has been rallying in one-sided way. There has to be, and markets never work in a single direction. It goes up, it has to come down, and so we could see the level of 13,200, 13,300 maybe by end of this month or maybe by first week of January. This is possible. So whatever trades we take, we have to take it with bit cautious at this level. So let us quickly see the levels, magic levels for Nifty. So Nifty closing, as we say, is at around 13,749, which was 148 points above the previous close. Almost a gain of 1%, above 1%, something like. So we initiate a buy trade in Nifty if Nifty trades about 13,760 and sustains above this level for 10 to 15 minutes for a target of 13,885 and 13,830 and 13,885. Similarly, if Nifty trades below 13,740, we initiate a sell trade for a target of 13,670 and 13,610. So these are the levels for Nifty. Now please note this level, as these are the magic levels, and these levels do work very nicely in the trades. And you have seen that on 24th of December, we have got a gain of 150 points on Nifty and 600 points on Bank Nifty. Now this is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. Now as we see, Bank Nifty daily chart also reflects similar to the chart of Nifty. We have seen a downtick on Monday, and in last 3 days we have seen that most of the losses of Monday has been recouped. Now again we see that at higher levels there could be some selling, and so as I say, there is nothing. It's trading is very simple. It's selling near resistance and buying near support. So at higher level we may see some selling. So the levels for Bank Nifty for Monday are, the closing for Bank Nifty is at around 30,400. Now if Bank Nifty trades above 30,440, then we may see a target of 30,700 and 30,900. And similarly, if Bank Nifty trades below 30,360, then we may see a target of 30,100 and 29,900. So these are the targets for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now please note that I've been getting queries that how do we trade at what levels, and how do we see that this level is sustained or not. Now as I always mention, that if that level is crossed and the level is sustained for 10 to 15 minutes, that means we have to see 5 minutes candlestick. If 5 minute candlestick, the candle does not come below this level, is not closing below this level, then we can say that if 3 candles are formed about 30,440 in case of Bank Nifty, then we can say that this level is sustained and we initiate a buy trade. So that's how we trade on this level. I hope it's clear now. So let us quickly see the magic pick. Now the magic pick that we have bought today, and this is a Christmas pick from my side, a festive pick, it's ITC. Now many analysts has already given a buy call on ITC. ITC rallied up to 218 and then had come down again in the correction. The present closing price of ITC is at around 208. What we see is that ITC can test its 52-week high level, which is around 243. And once this level is crossed, we may see further upside on this particular counter. The 20-day 200 EMA of ITC is at around 195, which will act as a strong support and will not make the stock go below this level. And similarly, on technical side, if you see, this counter has many support at lower levels. So we initiate a buy trade at this level of 208.5 with a target of 245 in 1 to 2 months time frame. Now if 245 is crossed, we may again review the stock at that point of time, as I see that if 245 is crossed on a closing basis, then we may see a further upside on this stock, and that could be really big. So keep it in mind, ITC is the stock for magic pick. With this, let us see the disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose, and views are purely based on technical analysis, and we have not taken out any fundamental analysis of the script or any other thing. Any investment and trading decision is to be taken after consulting your financial advisor. So please trade accordingly after seeing your how much money you want to invest, or whatever is your investment size. Please do consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. Now quickly, thank you very much for all the appreciation. I have received a lot of messages last week from you guys thanking me for the great levels, thanking me for the tip of HDFC AMC that we have recommended last time. So that's HDFC AMC is also going to do a great, also can be a big multi-bagger in the days to come. And our targets of 3,300 and 3,400 is very much intact and can be achieved in January, February once this stock comes into the FNO trade. So thank you very much for all the appreciation. Keep hitting the like button for this video. Do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our updates we keep posting on this channel. Do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you get all the updates. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Happy trading. All the best.